has rheumatism, but he eats well. And so far, I keep him alive. I'm not going to put him asleep, of course. This one had been found by a friend of mine. He had the hair that long. He could not move. He was in such a mess. And of course, he should be. He should go to the grooming, but I cannot afford to do it. I do it myself, and I do my best, but not easy. On the chain, a very short chain like this, and I rescue him full of ticks, everything. He's very happy now.
When?
Oh, it was 3 years ago. Yeah. Grisou. Those are dinner plates, you know.
Right. And what do you do with them?
I have dinner.
No, but
No, I sell them if I can. Yeah, if I have time to paint, because to take care of all those dogs is a lot of work. You can imagine. So that is the room. No dogs come here. I kept that room for myself and for my guests. So I do big panels like this. Decoration. That was a panel I made, and few tiles were not good, so I mixed everything. It was a face actually. So I kept the eyes, and I'm going to glue them like an abstract. Well, this is what I can do to raise money. This is the only thing, but this is not so easy to sell. And it costs so much money to take care of all those dogs. Well, this is not only the food, this is also the medicine, the vet, the washing, the products to clean, everything. I mean, I need easily 2,000 euros to pay the bills of electricity, to maintain the car, and even like this is not...
And you don't get any support?
No.
No?
No. Not at all. No.
And why do you do this? Why
I always took care of animals since I was a child, and I should not continue, I should stop, but 1 month ago I took the 4 dogs of Eric who died. First of all, I promised to do it, and nobody would have taken them. So I knew them so well, and even I could not let them be put asleep. Or I love them. When I'm not 100% sure that the dog will have the same care like here, I don't let him go. No, this is why I have so many dogs. But you know, people want a dog, and after a while they go back to the north of Europe. They cannot take the dog with them. We never know. Or when people want a dog to guard the place, I'm afraid that he will be on chain outside or something. When I'm sure, of course, yes, I do it. But this is not so easy. This is the type of dog I adopt, of course. And to find a home for a 3-legged dog, this is almost impossible. Later on, I found another one with a broken leg. But the leg was broken since a few years, I think. And the vet cut the leg off as well. And they were both together. And it was funny because one had one leg cut here, and the other one the leg cut. And they were always running together like this. And they had a good life, yeah. Ginger, yeah, Fifi. That one was trapped in a garage on a small chain, no blanket, sleeping in the excrement and the urine for 3 years. And somebody talked to me, and I said, bring the dog. So in fact, it was so full that we took the dog away. Nobody was taking care of her. This one I found it in Lole. He was dying in the on the road, and I took him. I rebuilt the dog, and he has leishmaniose. You probably heard about the leishmaniose disease. Yeah. This one had been also, I found him with the collar inside the flesh. He had the collar when he was a puppy, I guess. And they let the collar and the dog became bigger. And we had to cut into the flesh and to... And he has also been unchained by a leg on the back leg. I heard that some hunters are doing that with their dogs. I don't know why. The vet explained to me that awful story. I don't have the feeling that I sacrifice myself. I feel sorry not to be able to do more and better, because financially this is difficult. No, I had a good life. I visit many countries. I've seen many things. Interesting things, interesting people, and I don't feel like to move anymore, not to travel. I had my share, it was nice, and now I'm happy to be here and to do what I'm doing, yes. I don't know how to get help. I thought through the other canals we could be together and help each other. But apparently it was not possible. So when my situation was better before, I always succeed, and now it become I am alone. This is difficult with the crisis to raise money, to sell things, paintings, or and but still like this, I don't know how to be organized, or yeah, alone this is difficult. I need help for sure. Well, I'm difficult to live with, and also not everybody would like to share a life with so many animals. And between a man and dogs first, of course. I design hats for fashion show, for weddings. That is a hat for a wedding. I have hats also for afternoon. That is for a fashion show. I make for the carnival, for the all kind of happening. I thought that they were coming to me for the heat, but as they do it as well in the summer, I realized that this is pure love. You know? It smells funny, probably something happened with them.